So this is a little vlog kind of deal because, you know, everybody's doing it. I'm lame, so I'm follow everybody. So here goes the deal. Yeah, we haven't been posting a lot. Well, at all. Anyways, at all. We haven't posted at all. But here's the update. We're in a brand new car. Not brand new to me. This is 2004 Mazda RX-8. It used to be one of our members. And it was given to my brother, which is the president of the club. And my brother and I, the grace of God, and us working on it, you know, got it running, got it going. And, you know, when a rotary breaks down, automatic death. That's a death sentence. Everybody thinks that's a death sentence. Well, in this case, it wasn't really a death sentence. It ended up being back coils and dirty throttle body and just some other stuff that, you know, we figured out. I went through at school, cleared codes, I fixed codes. Like the code that was on here was for the auxiliary port valve, and they said the circuit was low, so I was like, okay. So I went back in there, I grabbed my little fancy Fluke multimeter, everything, test site, all the whole 9 yards, pulled out a scan tool. The daggone thing was unplugged. Anyways, plugged it back in, cleared the code, bam, drove it, fine. Anyways, so now that I have this RX-8, I'm going to be posting up some RX-8 tips, possible, like, kind of maintenance things, like, maybe, like, how to do this, how to do that. My girlfriend and I just recently changed the oil, so sorry I didn't record that for you guys, but I can give a rundown, really easy. There is one thing, though, that's different from other oil changes for this car, and I will explain that in that video. This is just a little catch-up video on what we've been doing and stuff like that. But as you can see, it is the RX-8. You see the little rotor symbol. Yeah, you see a little bit. Little rotor symbol back there. There's rotary symbols everywhere in this freaking thing. Like, even when I got it, if I can find it. Even when I got the actual car, this thing is so dirty. There's a little rotor air freshener. Like, that's boss. I like that. I think that's cool. But, yeah, so, yes, Alfa Romeos and a rotary, straight up. I think it's dope. Everybody, you know, has their opinion about it. I like it personally. This is my daily driver at the moment, and I will explain how that goes, like maybe later on videos, you know, whatever you guys like. But, in my opinion, so far, I like it. I mean, yeah, it's terrible on gas. Like, I'm on a 2-hour drive right now to my girlfriend's house, and this thing literally drinks a half a tank going up there and then coming back. Like, so you pretty much gotta fill it up, and then as soon as you get back, fill it right back up again. So, needless to say, it's not very economical. So, anyways, not a bad thing. I like it still. Stylish interior. Everything is power. It's got a sun. Like, what? I'm actually gonna keep that open. It looks dope. I didn't freaking realize it looked dope on the camera. It looks dope on camera. Anyways, power band and just the overall power. It's not bad. It has a little pick up and go. I actually probably have a little video block right there, that little section right there. So that's what we've been up to. And I don't know if y'all been keeping up with the Honda build that we had on there, but that build is still going on, and let's just say it's got a little bit of choo-choo going on. And I'll post up some of those videos too, actually, of the Honda, because I don't know, I can't say you guys miss it, because I don't know if you do, because nobody cares about the little Honda that could. Anyways, but yeah, so I'll post that video up, see how that goes. Yeah. So, big plans, big things. So far, we got the RX-8, Bob Loud, it's gonna be in our videos. I'll post up some of the other videos of the other cars because they actually came to me and are talking to me about them not having their cars on there. So I'll try to start recording their stuff and their builds because I missed out on a huge opportunity on our Mazda Speed 3. We did a turbo replacement on that. The Subaru STI had an overheating issue and we recently fixed that, or they fixed it. I didn't fix it. Yeah, they put a new Mishimoto radiator in it. We also have the member that this car. This was his car. I mean, he actually has a SRT4 now, which is pretty boss. So we'll do some videos on that. Just a bunch of different videos we have, and I just gotta put it together is all. So just keep up with us, keep up on top, and so yeah, that's what we're posting. And I'll just show you, like, I'll put in this video a couple shots of the actual car on the outside so you can see it under the hood. Still a rotary, not an LS, so don't even ask that question. That's not gonna happen. Anyways, yeah. So that's pretty much what Alpha Woods has been up to. So make sure you guys keep it updated. Definitely post some more of these videos of the RX-8 for maintenance and stuff like that, because I know a lot of people do. Like, shout out to German by Madness. That man is legit. You know, I didn't know too much about rotaries or RX-8s or anything like that, and I watched a ton of his videos, and he got me up to date. Pretty much all my knowledge from that channel. So if y'all haven't checked out his channel, he posts up RX-8 videos. He posts up maintenance videos, tips, tricks, like advice and stuff like that. Just mainly RX-8. And if you're a rotary fan, check him out. He is freaking boss. So, yep. Keep up with that. Keep up with him. Shoot. If he gives me a shout out, that'd be boss, but I don't think so. He's probably just going to tell I am. Anyways. So, keep it real, you guys. Just keep updated. I might do a lot of these vlog things because I got a 2-hour drive and I'm freaking alone. There's nobody right here. You know, my girlfriend's here for the vlog, but she's not here right now. So, yeah, I'm actually getting these vlogs every week. Because I do this trip every weekend. So, every week a vlog will be posted up like this one right here. RX-8 Talk. That's what it's going to be called. Patent. Right there. Patent by Alpha Royalty. Alpha Royalty patent. If y'all steal that, I swear to God, boy. Shoot. Bet. Anyways, I'm rambling now because I got nothing else to talk about because everything else I want to talk about is in the next videos. So make sure y'all keep it updated and real straight up. Anyways, we out.